Look at the cheese. Alright. Pepperoni cheese. Ramen noodle underneath there. Alright. Ramen noodle underneath that. Lasagna. Alright. Today I am going to be making ramen noodle lasagna. Okay? Lasagna is really good to make. I'm going to show you how to make it with ramen noodle. Alright, I'm going to show you how to make it in your rapid ramen cooker. Check the description part of the page for more information on where to get one of these in your microwave. Okay, you're going to be making ramen noodles in your microwave. Lasagna. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to have your ramen noodles. We have cheeses and we have pepperoni and we have some water right here. That's all you're going to need. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to open up the package. Open up the package. It's kind of tough because they try to keep their noodles really fresh. And we're going to pull out the ramen noodles. Alright, so pull out that. And then there is a seasoning packet. This is optional. You don't have to use this, okay? But it's optional. I'm just sitting right there. And then I'm going to take the ramen noodle and I'm going to separate the two. Be careful because you don't want it to break in multiples. So you have two parts right here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take these two parts and we're going to have a bowl of water right here. And we're going to let them soak for about 5 minutes inside of this water, okay? After 5 minutes, we'll get started, all right? All right. After about 5 to 10 minutes, you're going to take some marinara sauce. You see I have some marinara sauce right here. And you're going to take some and just put some on the bottom of the rapid ramen cooker, right? Not too much, just some at the bottom. And then spread it around just a little bit. And then you are going to take one side of your ramen noodles, right? It's still firm. You can keep it in there like maybe 10 to 12 minutes maybe if you want to. All right, you're going to place it down the first layer. And then you're going to take some cheese. Right here I have some mozzarella. And I'm going to sprinkle some cheese right there. Okay. Then I'm going to take a little bit more marinara. Spread it across. You can do it a different way if you want to. And then I am going to take some pepperoni. Put it like that. See that? And then I'm going to take some Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle some of that on top. And I like mine really cheesy, so I'm going to add a little bit more mozzarella on top. Just like that. And then I'll put a little bit more sauce. Spread that around. Alright. Then I'm going to take the other half of the ramen noodle and I'm going to place that on top. Alright. Then I'm going to put some more sauce, marinara sauce, on top. Alright. And then I'm going to put pepperoni. No, actually I'm going to put cheese. And more Parmesan cheese. And then pepperoni. Just like that. You see that? Throw some down the side. Now, once I have that, I'm going to take some of this water and I'm just going to pour a little bit down in there. Don't pour it all the way up to the line. Pour it like maybe quarter of the way up to the line down in there. And then I'm going to take some saran wrap and wrap it on top of this. All right, so I'm going to take this saran wrap, plastic wrap, whatever you want to call it, wrap it around the top like right here. And then I'm going to poke a hole, just one hole, so it can vent, or maybe two holes, so it can vent from the top, okay? That's it. And then I'm gonna put it in the microwave for about 3 minutes to 3.5 minutes, all right? All right, after 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes, you're gonna take the ramen noodle cooker out of the microwave. Now, if it melts, the saran wrap melts too much on your food, disregard the recipe and don't eat it. But this didn't look like, for me, my taste, my personal choice. I'm gonna use it, okay? All right, just have to be a little bit cautious. And one thing you might want to do is, like, maybe, say for instance, put the pepperoni underneath the cheese. All right, so I'm gonna peel this off. Look at that. Look at that. Lasagna, yeah. Lasagna, yeah. That's what it's called. Lasagna, yeah. Look at that. Absolute goodness, all right? I'm going to take my knife and fork, and I'm going to dive into it, okay? So I'm going to take this. I'm going to get in close. All right, so I'm in a little bit closer, and I'm just going to dive into this. This is absolute good. Look at the pepperoni. Look at the pepperoni. Look at the cheese. All right? Pepperoni, cheese, ramen noodle underneath there. All right? Ramen noodle underneath that. Lasagna, okay? All right, so I'm going to take the knife and fork. And I'm going to dig in there. Look at that. Look at that. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.